Hey there, locked out of your Netflix profile because you forgot the PIN? Or maybe you just want to delete a profile on your iPhone fast? Don't worry, I've got you covered in under 2 minutes. First, let's talk about resetting or removing that stubborn Netflix profile PIN. Here's the catch. You can't do this directly from the Netflix app on your iPhone if you don't remember the PIN. But all you need is your account password and a web browser, like Safari. Open Safari on your iPhone and head over to the Netflix account page. Log in with your Netflix email and password. Then, scroll down until you see Profiles and Parental Controls. Find the profile you're locked out of and tap the little arrow next to it. Now hit Profile Lock, then tap Change. At the bottom, you'll see Forgot PIN. Tap that. Netflix will ask for your account password one more time to make sure it's really you. Once you're in, you can do 3 things. Media, viewing current Netflix PIN on iPhone screen, Netflix PIN display in account settings, view your current PIN, set a brand new one, or just uncheck the box to turn the PIN off completely. Don't forget to hit Save. But maybe you're done with a profile and want to delete it for good. Here's how. From the Manage Profiles page, tap the pencil icon on the profile you want to remove. Scroll down and hit Delete Profile. Confirm it and poof, it's gone. Just keep in mind, this erases all the viewing history for that profile. One quick note, you can't delete the main account profile. That's locked in. And that's it. Simple, fast, and you're back in control of your Netflix. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.